Welcome to Destination Perfect. Today we're in Tirana, Albania, a city packed with history, culture, and surprises. I'm on a mission to uncover the absolute best spots in this hidden gem, and you're coming with me. From grand squares to secret Cold War bunkers, epic mountain views and buzzing markets, Tirana has it all. I've narrowed it down to the top 8 places you can't miss. This isn't just a travel guide, it's an adventure that'll change how you see this part of the world. Hit subscribe, buckle up, and let's discover Tirana together. Let's go! First up is Skanderbeg Square, the beating heart of Tirana and Albania. Surrounded by landmarks like the National History Museum and Mosque, this colossal square is where the city's past and present collide. The massive statue of Skanderbeg, Albania's national hero, stands proudly at the center. The square's pedestrian-only design makes it feel like a giant public living room, paved with stones from all over the country. By day, it's calm. By night, it's alive with locals and tourists. Every corner reveals a new piece of Tirana's story, from Italian-era buildings to modern architecture. This is the perfect starting point for exploring the city. Skanderbeg Square isn't just a landmark, it's the soul of Tirana. Let's dive in. Just off Skanderbeg Square is the Mosque, a true survivor. During Albania's communist era, religion was banned and most mosques destroyed, but this one was preserved as a cultural monument. Step inside and you'll see rare frescoes of landscapes and waterfalls, unusual for Islamic art. Built in the late 1700s, it's a masterpiece of craftsmanship. In 1991, after communism fell, thousands gathered here in defiance, marking the rebirth of religious freedom. The mosque stands as a symbol of resilience and hope. Next to it, the iconic clock tower completes the city's skyline. It's peaceful, welcoming, and deeply moving. Whether you're religious or not, this place is a must-see. The detailed artwork and powerful history make it unforgettable. Take a quiet moment here, you'll feel the spirit of Tirana. The Mosque is living proof of the city's unbreakable spirit. On to the next adventure. Now, we're going underground to Bunkart 2, a massive Cold War nuclear bunker-turned-museum. Built in the 1980s to protect government elites, it's a concrete labyrinth beneath the city. Inside, chilling exhibits reveal the dark history of Albania's secret police and the paranoia of the communist regime. You'll see real surveillance gear, preserved rooms, and stories of those persecuted. The experience is intense and immersive. You're literally inside history. The minister's apartment, frozen in time, shows the bizarre contrast of fear and luxury. Bunkart 2 is more than a museum. It's a powerful reminder of Albania's past and a tribute to its resilience. It's a heavy visit, but essential for understanding the country. If you want to grasp modern Albania, you have to come here. Let's head back to the surface for some fresh air. Next stop, the mountains. Time for a breath of fresh air. We're taking the Dajti Express cable car up Mount Dajti. In just 15 minutes you glide above forests and farms, watching Tirana shrink below. The views are jaw-dropping. On a clear day you can see all the way to the Adriatic Sea. At the top, the air is crisp, and the city feels a world away. There's a whole complex with cafes, restaurants, and activities, or just find a spot and soak in the panorama. Adventurers can hike through beach and pine forests, while others relax with a coffee and the best view in town. Mount Dajti is called the balcony of Tirana for a reason. It's the perfect escape from the city buzz. Whether you're hiking or just enjoying the view, this is a must-do. The cable car ride alone is worth the trip. Let's get back to the city for our next stop. If you are enjoying the video so far, please make sure to like and subscribe to the Destination Perfect channel for more travel videos like this. Also, check out our affiliate links in the description below to book your holiday, as those sites have the best deals in our opinion. Buying from our links will really help the channel out. Next up, the Grand Park of Tirana, the city's green oasis. Centered around a beautiful artificial lake, it's where locals come to relax, exercise, and connect. Wide paths circle the lake, perfect for jogging, cycling, or a peaceful stroll. The park is alive with families, friends, and couples enjoying the outdoors. There are playgrounds, outdoor gyms, and lakeside cafes for a quick bite or coffee. You can even rent paddle boats in summer. The presidential palace and war memorials add layers of history to this tranquil space. It's the perfect place to recharge after exploring the city. The Grand Park proves Tirana values green space and quality of life. Let's take a walk and soak up the chill vibes. Back in Skanderbeg Square, you can't miss the National History Museum. Its massive mosaic, The Albanians, is iconic. Step inside for a journey through thousands of years of Albanian history, from ancient Illyrians to the modern era. Artifacts from Greek, Roman, and Ottoman times bring the past to life. The museum doesn't shy away from the dark chapters, with moving exhibits on communist persecution. Each section builds a powerful narrative of struggle, identity, and resilience. The museum is the guardian of Albania's memory. You could spend hours here, but even a quick visit is unforgettable. If you want to understand Albania, this is a must-see. Let's keep moving. Ready for a sensory overload? Welcome to Pazari I Ri, Tirana's new bazaar. This vibrant market is the city's stomach and social hub, blending tradition with modern flair under a colorful glass canopy. Stalls overflow with fresh produce, cheese, olive oil, honey, and spices. Vendors are eager for you to taste everything. Around the market, restaurants serve up Albanian classics like bajrek and kofte. Delicious, fresh, and affordable. The energy here is electric, from morning market bustle to lively evenings at the surrounding bars. It's the perfect place to dive into local culture, grab souvenirs, and feast on authentic food. The atmosphere is contagious. You can't help but smile. Pazari I Ri captures the spirit of Tirana, warm, welcoming, and full of life. If you want to taste the real Albania, this is the place. I'm off to try some grilled lamb. Join me. Next, the city's most bizarre landmark. For our final spot, meet Tirana's most controversial landmark, the Pyramid. Built in 1988 as a museum for dictator Enver Hoxha, it quickly became an unwanted relic after communism fell. Abandoned and vandalized, it turned into a graffiti-covered playground for local youth, an act of rebellion and transformation. Instead of tearing it down, the city chose to reinvent it. Now, world-class architects are turning the pyramid into a tech and community center for young Albanians. New staircases let you climb to the top for epic city views. Inside, classrooms and studios will teach coding, design, and robotics for free. The pyramid's story is one of radical change, from a symbol of oppression to a beacon of hope and creativity. It's the ultimate symbol of modern Tirana, facing the past, but building the future. If you want to see transformation in action, you have to visit. This is Tirana's story in concrete and steel. What a journey. Let's wrap up. That's a wrap on Tirana's top 8 must-visit spots. From epic squares and secret bunkers to mountain views and vibrant markets, this city blew me away. Tirana is reshaping its past into a bright, creative future, and you can feel the energy everywhere. If you want adventure, culture, and stories you'll never forget, put Tirana at the top of your list. Thanks for joining me. Let me know in the comments which spot you'd visit first. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more adventures. See you in the next video.